The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 through 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Crew Cab that has the Retrax Pro XR tonneau cover already installed. We've just installed the Yakima SkyLine base rack system. This is using the HD load bar, 68 inches in length, the SkyLine towers, which have a quick release feature. Locks are available separately. They're not required, but it's a good idea to get with these quick release towers. In addition to the parts mentioned, you also have landing pad 26, which mounts to the tracks on the cover. And there's also an adapter that allows the SkyLine tower to work with these HD load bars. So overall, you have a 220-pound carrying capacity, and the crossbars can be mounted along the length of that adjustment rail. So a great rack for maybe bike mounts or cargo, nice and low but out of the bed. For easy ordering of this kit or more details and pictures, please visit our website with the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this quick vehicle walk around. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.